Looking for an HVAC dealer in Burnaby, British Columbia? Here's everything you need to know before making your choice. Many people make mistakes like not checking for proper licensing and certification, choosing a dealer based solely on price, or forgetting to get a written estimate. To avoid these pitfalls, always ask for proof of licensing and certification before hiring. Don't just focus on price. Consider experience, reputation, and customer reviews as well. Make sure to get a written estimate before any work begins, and take the time to read customer reviews and testimonials. Also, always ask about warranty and guarantees. Wondering what to ask your HVAC dealer? Here are some of the most common questions. How long have you been in business? Over 10 years, providing quality HVAC services in Burnaby. Do you offer emergency services? Yes, Fact 7. Are your technicians licensed and certified? Absolutely. Do you offer financing? Yes, to make services more affordable. Our commitment to customer satisfaction, quality workmanship, and competitive pricing sets us apart. For a free quote, call 778-860-4955 or visit BurnabyHVACrepair.com. Thank you for considering Burnaby, BC HVAC dealers for your HVAC needs.